Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain about this keyword in Java language. It is called as an object reference or reference variable because it refers an object. It always refers current object. It always refers current object. It is called as an object reference because it refers object. Which object? Current object. Okay. It is implicitly present in instance method, comma constructor and initialization block. This keyword implicitly present in instance method, in constructor and in initialization block. It is explicitly required to access an instance variable whenever both instance variable and local variable names are same. These all points I'll explain in a program. Say integer x equal to 10. It is called instance variable. Void show. It is called instance method. If you want to call instance variable or if you want to call instance method, compulsory object required. These two are the members of demo class. So the demo class object required. Demo d equal to new demo. Here object created. That object referred by d. With this d, we can access instance variable, we can access instance method. Instance variables and instance method you can access in two ways. One is by using object and one more by using object reference. Now I am going to access show method with object reference d dot show. Then control comes here. System dot out dot println x. X is a instance variable. There are two ways to access. One is by using object, one more by using object reference. But I written here system dot out dot println x. It is valid here implicitly this keyword present. It is nothing but object reference dot x. But where is object? That is only this keyword. But where is this keyword? It is implicitly present in an instance method because show is an instance method. That's what here it is implicitly present. So if I write system dot out dot println x, that is nothing but implicitly this dot x. This dot x. This keyword refers current object. This keyword refers current object. It is implicitly present. If you write only x also, implicitly this dot x. If you write this dot x explicitly also, this keyword. This refers current object. In this program, we have only one object. That object only referred by this keyword. If I compile and run this program, what will be happen? See, demo class loaded, open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed, here object created for demo class, then memory allocated to instance variable x, that object referred by d, with the d we are calling show method, then control comes to show method, system.out.println x, implicitly this dot x, this refers current object. In that object x is there, that x is going to be printed. See, if I compile and run, what will happen? See, file, save, compilation, javac demo.java, successfully compiled, java demo, successfully executed, we got a output 10. Suppose myself I am writing this dot x explicitly. Now also it is same. Whether you write or not, it is implicitly this keyword present. Say file, save. Again I'll compile javac demo.java. Again I'll run java demo 10. This is diagrammatically I'll explain. Demo class loaded, open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed, object created, then memory allocated to x. This x contains 10. This x contains 10. Object created, it is demo class object. This object referred by d. D contains hash code. Here object created, then memory allocated to instance variable x, that object referred by d. D dot show, control comes here. System.out.println this dot x. This also nothing but object reference. It refers current object. In this program, we have only one object. That object only referred by this keyword. Like this dot x. Whether you write or not, implicitly this keyword present. Okay. When we have to use this keyword explicitly, I given here, it is implicitly present in instance method, in constructor and initialization block. It is explicitly required to access an instance variable whenever both instance variable and local variable names are same. It is a first example of this keyword. I'll give some other examples in next video. For getting more information, you refer my blog Java by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. For getting more information, you refer my blog. This is my blog. Okay.